Do you want to learn how to make a woman regret rejecting you? Then take a few minutes to watch this video. It may be the most important video you'll ever watch. I'm serious. Okay, here's the deal. Trust me, I know how it feels. Getting rejected is soul-sucking, like you've been judged and found wanting as a man. Unfortunately, the pursuit of vengeance, that's what you're here for, right? It'll lower your chances of ever finding happiness with a woman in the long run. So take my advice, don't ruin your life like that. Instead, you want to make her ask herself the big question. You want it so that the next time she sees you, she'll wonder, did I make a huge mistake by rejecting him? Once she starts asking that question, she won't be satisfied until she gets an answer. And when she reaches out to you, that's when you put the rest of your plan into action. So there we have it. That's your game plan. It's a long process, and it may take about a month or longer, and yet it's your best hope of making her regret rejecting you. And trust me, that's a good place to be in. When a woman regrets rejecting you, she'll do everything she can to win you. She'll make it up to you. She'll do whatever you ask. She'll love and support you no matter what. Sounds good, right? So let's get ready. I'll show you every step of your game plan in this video. You'll absolutely love this. I can guarantee it. Before we begin, do take a moment to give this video a quick like. That way, you'll continue to get great advice that will put you in complete control of your love life, and not just some poor sod who can't seem to get a break. Are you ready? So click like right now and we'll get started. Go ahead, do it now. Click like and we'll continue. Done? Awesome. So let me tell you about making a woman regret rejecting you. The game plan you're about to learn was developed by Derek Rake, the guy who wrote the famous Shogun method. He had this to say about rejection. If a woman rejects you, it means she wasn't attracted enough to you at the time. And yet a woman's mind is malleable. You can get her to become hyper attracted to you in just a few short weeks, if you know what to do. That's the key, hyper attraction. And here's how to put it into action. After she rejected you, there should be a period of awkward, tense silence between the two of you. That's fine. It's normal. What you should never do is to get emotional over it. So avoid dwelling on the rejection, stalking her like a creep, or feeling sorry for yourself. None of that, okay? Instead, do what Derek Rake would tell you to do, and that is to spend the next month building your alpha traits. Long story short, that means you should do the following, in order of importance. First, you upgrade your fashion sense and looks. Second, you start working out, especially lifting weights. Third, you get into a manly hobby of some sort, like rock climbing or leatherworking. And fourth, you step up your career or start a side hustle, basically make more money. And through it all, you should refrain from contacting her in any way. You can be friends on social media, that's fine. Just remember, no calls, texts, comments, or even likes. Instead, focus on posting updates on your progress. Got a new haircut? Post a photo. Gained some muscle over the last 3 weeks? Post a photo. Started rock climbing? Post a photo. You get the idea. Now, you might be asking, what's the point of all this? Well, remember, the goal is to make her wonder if she made a mistake. And the best way to do that is to make her see the progress you're making without saying a word to her. Eventually, she'll start asking herself if she judged you too harshly, and that's when she'll start feeling the urge to reach out to you, just to find answers to her questions. Let's pause here for a second. Do you agree that making a woman feel curious is a good way to make her reach out to you? Just type yes or no in the comments below so I'll know how you feel. Go ahead, post yes or no in the comments below. Regardless though, she will feel curious enough to at least like one of your photos. If she comments or sends you a private message, that's even better. These are all signs she's reaching out to you. And that's when you put phase 2 of your game plan into play. I'm about to introduce you to a technique called the false confirmation, and its job is to take her curiosity and turn it into attraction. And remember, that's the key ingredient we're after. If she's attracted enough to you, she won't reject you. In fact, she might even apologize for being so rude. So how does the false confirmation technique work? I'll show you in just a moment. For now, if this video has inspired you in some way, then do consider subscribing. As a subscriber to my channel, you'll continue to receive great advice on taking control of your love life. and we'll be starting with the next technique you're about to learn, the false confirmation. Are you ready to make her regret rejecting you? Then click the subscribe button below this video and we'll continue. Go ahead. Have you subscribed? Awesome. Welcome aboard. So here's how the false confirmation technique works. Let's say she saw one of your photos on social media and liked it. You can then chat with her or call her up. Just do some small talk and then set up a date. For instance, you can say, "Hey, I'll be in town tomorrow. Let's meet at 3 for coffee." Instead of asking her out, tell her to meet you. If she's curious enough, she'll say yes. When you meet her, treat her like a good old friend. Make no mention of how she rejected you. Instead, you talk about your life and the things you're doing now, and you ask how she's doing. Then you continue hanging out and having fun. Have as many dates as you want, but again, make no mention of the rejection. You're just two good buddies spending time with each other. Eventually, she might talk about the rejection, or she'll simply start hinting about dating or getting into a relationship. That's when the false confirmation technique comes in. You then tell her something like, "Yeah, about that. Thanks, actually. Getting rejected was good for me. It made me realize how much more I wanted to do with my life. It's not about getting the girl anymore for me. It's about having as many experiences as I can before I die. So, no worries. But hey, let's be friends anyway. You're cool and I like you. We should hang out more often." That's it. Did you catch what just happened? In just a few sentences, you've actually reversed the rejection. Now you're rejecting her, only you're doing it discreetly and indirectly. You've set the frame that you're the prize, not her. And that's how to make a woman regret rejecting you. And it's the best revenge, too. After every chat or meetup with you, she'll wonder what might have been if she didn't reject you. Mission accomplished. So what's next? Now it's time to push her over the edge and turn her attraction into addiction. In other words, you're about to make her want to change your mind about just being friends. How do you do that? With a little technique called fractionation. That's how. Never heard of it before? Fractionation is a simple storytelling technique that looks and sounds harmless, and yet under the surface, something big is happening. She's slowly getting more and more addicted to you. And it's that addiction that's going to make her confess her feelings for you. If she won't just go ahead and kiss you, that is. Now here's the thing. It's hard to explain fractionation here near the end of the video. So I got something better lined up for you. I'm giving you access to a special online masterclass on mind control. There, Derek Rake, the guy who came up with everything, will now teach you all about fractionation. By the end of the masterclass, you'll know the secret to making women feel addicted to you, and by using only your words, too. Imagine this for a moment. In the beginning, she rejected you. In the end, she'll be begging you to love her back. And through it all, you have the power to turn her down and use fractionation on the next woman you'll meet. Isn't it about time you put yourself in a win-win situation? I thought so, too. So go ahead, click the link and join the online masterclass right now. See you there.